Alright, hello guys, welcome to a new video. I know I have not uploaded it in a very long time. I'm sorry about that. I just wanted to take a little break. But looks like our break's over because we got a huge, very strong storm system that is expected with on the 8th, 9th, and maybe the 10th. So this is still kind of far away, but it's coming quickly. So let's get into it. The main threat with this storm system is probably going to be the widespread damaging winds. I mean, look at these winds. I mean, down in Texas, up to 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Remember, this is a lot of things could change with this. As we get closer to the event, it's going to be more accurate. This is on the 8th. You got some damaging winds in Mexico and Texas. Very strong winds with this low pressure system. Let's go to around midnight. You got some very strong winds near Houston, up to approaching 60-mile-an-hour winds. Strong winds in Louisiana. These winds are strong enough to bring down tree limbs, make the power go out for a while. Let's go to about 7 a.m. on Tuesday. This is next Tuesday. As you can see, very impressive winds in just off shores. 75-mile-an-hour winds. Winds starting to get into Louisiana, New Orleans, 40 to 50. Winds starting to get up into the Appalachians. Let's go to about noon. Wow. A lot changed. New Orleans is now getting on, southern, Louisiana is now getting, 60 to possibly even 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts at around noon Tuesday. If this does happen, I'd be shocked. But I think the most likely scenario is you're still going to get a windstorm, but it's not going to be this severe. But the wind field with this storm is absolutely massive. So we got some damaging winds in the Smokies. 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts in the Smokies. That is very impressive. Very strong winds moving into Chattanooga, Huntsville, Cookeville. Let me go to about 6 p.m. Wow. Moving up to the Appalachians, Johnson City, getting near 75-mile-an-hour winds. Mountain City, 77. Tri-Cities, Kingsport, 50 to 55. Mountains of West Virginia, 80-mile-an-hour winds. That's very impressive. Let's go to about 10 p.m. This is moving up the coast more. Still going to be a little breezy down here. New York might get on this. Washington, D.C., 50 to 55-mile-an-hour wind gust. Wow. Kitty Hawk, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts are possible. Myrtle Beach, 60 to 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts are possible. And when we go to about midnight, not that much change. So this is going to move out of the area, out of the U.S., continental U.S. Still going to be some windy, gusty winds up in New York. Wow. Almost 70-mile-an-hour winds up in New York City. This is just going to be the eastern part of the U.S. is mainly going to be impacted the worst. So the farther east you are, the more impacted you're going to be. Let's get on to the other portion, hazard of the storm. Rain, severe weather. Give me 1 second. Should have done that earlier. So the storm system starts coming down on the 8th. Starts to really intensify on the 9th. And at around, could have some severe weather going through Texas, Louisiana. This looks like mainly a damaging wind threat. Snow on the backside. We can go up a little farther. Some ice in the Smokies, Appalachians. Just this is insane. Why this looks like a nor'easter that went more south. Now if it gets any colder, this could be a full-on blizzard for the south. Some very, very strong thunderstorms right next to ice storms, which is insane. Severe weather possibly in Huntsville, all the way up to south, middle Indiana, Ohio. That's where it starts to transition into snow. Very, very high snow accumulations up in the north. This is very impressive. Let's go to snow totals. Possible snow totals. I'm going to do this. It's not showing that much snow. There, give me 1 second. I think there could be a lot more snow than that. That's a little better. Some isolated snow up in the Appalachians. Good amount of snow up in Chicago. Yeah, this is mainly just a wind event and severe weather. Yeah, this looks like to just be a mainly damaging wind threat. No, like, supercells, which is good. Possibly some down more south. Let me go down there. Possibly some supercells down in Louisiana, Florida. Just gonna be a big storm system. Let's see what the photographs say. Yeah, some pretty good wind shear for these storms. So that's basically all I have for today. Oh yeah, let's go to also some snow possible back in Texas Panhandle. I think you could remove these totals. You could probably split these totals in half and still be a little high. I really don't think there's gonna see almost 15 inches of snow in Kansas. I really don't think that's gonna happen. Same for Arkansas. 16 inches. You could probably split these in half. Like I think maybe Kansas could see maybe 5 inches. And Arkansas can see maybe up to 8 inches. I'd say. St. Louis could see some possible snow. I know y'all have already seen some of your first snow this season. Well, that is gonna wrap it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe out there. I'll probably upload you on again about the situation. Bye.